Honey-Cardamom Steamer. To prepare this recipe, you will need milk, honey, vanilla, and cardamom. In a mug, combine the vanilla, you could also use vanilla extract or vanilla powder, honey, and the cardamom. You can grind it yourself like I do or buy already ground. Either way will work. Give it a good stir to evenly distribute those ingredients and then heat the milk. I like to use a countertop milk frother and warmer, but you could use a handheld one, or you could skip the frothing and just heat the milk in a saucepan or the microwave. Once the milk has reached the desired temperature, pour it into the mug with the honey and cardamom. Stir thoroughly but gently to make sure that the honey is dissolved into the milk, and then garnish with a bit more cardamom and a drizzle of honey if desired. Find a cozy spot and a good book and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.